Question 6. The sum of 9 consecutive positive whole numbers is 2007. What is the difference between the largest and the smallest of these? So consecutive means that they go up in ones. So we could say, if we don't know what they're going to be, n plus 1 plus n plus 2. Now it's n plus 8 because this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and we're looking at 9 consecutive numbers. So we've got this. When we add all of this together, what we are doing is we get n plus 8. No, we're not adding together. We're trying to find the difference between the largest and the smallest of these numbers. So n plus 8 subtract n equals just 8. Therefore, the answer is 8.